skin over the can over it.
I love that. I love that. I love that. Okay, are we actually redoing this? Holy crap! Okay, let's get on camera here.
That thing has as much
Yeah, no,
video
you know what?
quality as if you stretched my ball skin over a flashlight.
That's okay. Okay. Hello, YouTube.
Actually,
Today we will
that
be
would have
talking
better
about.
quality.
You know what? Just shut. I'm trying to give a YouTube thing here. Hello, YouTube. It's me again. TCG, whatever you want to call me. I was Sean. You know, there's a little bit of that. Anyways, today I'll be showing you. Yes, by the way, I am an 11th Prestige. I do host lobbies for free. Just let me know.
Mom.
Shut up, Levi. Just shut. I'm trying to do a YouTube video. Okay? You're ruining it. Just go do something with yourself over there. Okay, so anyways, keep in mind this is after the dashboard update, in which you were supposed to ban all 11th Prestiges. Some of them were lucky, I guess I was one of them. My first recommended class would be this, the Scar H, and the models. Keep in mind, bling is optional, but I do approve of the silencer. My second class would be Search and Destroy Tar. Get away, Levi. Get away. Don't even. Get away. Dude, no, get the pocket knife. No, you can't do that. What are you doing? What are you doing, Levi? What are you doing? Oh my god, get away. Not the paintball gun, man, okay? Okay, anyways, where were we? You know what, just shut up. I'm trying to give a YouTube presentation. Sorry, guys, for the delay. I'm really screwed over right now. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm running on caffeine. So, where was I? Okay, let's go back now. Come on. There you go. There. Okay. See, I have modded classes, as you can tell, and I don't know why I'm getting this video, I just got bored. I'm giving it on my MacBook, and Levi, what are you doing? What is your problem? Look at this, look at this kid. Oh my god, what are you doing? You're a freak, man. You're a freak. Look at that. Look at
it's
that.
black.
It's black?
It's
black?
black.
It is. Oh crap.
You realize you need light.
Really? I need light. I need light. Well, you need a balls. So now where are we? Okay. My third class would be near tube with a blue tiger camo, golden Rafka, and oh my gosh, forget this. I can't do this anymore.